Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our chief guests, regulations, services and variety of applications in the area of telecommunications, management and all emerging technologies.
Every year, this enthusiasm of the scholars really proves that sky is the limit when it comes to reflecting their knowledge merged with their hard work.
Flowers are the sweetest things God ever made and forgot to put a soul into. They have an expression of countenance as much as men or animals. Some seem to smile, some have a sad expression, some are pensive and diffident, and others again are plain, honest and upright.
And on this note, we would like to request Dr. V.K. Srivastav to present our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Shishir Deshmukh, with a bouquet of flowers as a token of love and gratitude. A round of applause, please. Which else shall beautify a home with the flame of a lovely lamp?
Which else shall adorn the mind but the light of wisdom deep? All our activities should be governed by the light of knowledge, especially the knowledge of Dharma. By this knowledge, ignorance or darkness is dispelled. We bow to knowledge which is the greatest wealth of our lives.
Thereby, I take immense pleasure and delight in requesting our esteemed chief guests and all the dignitaries to kindly do the honors of lighting the lamp.
The computing and electrical industry would not be the recognized and accepted part of the cultural and economic landscape that it is today. And on this note, we would like to request our chief guest and all the dignitaries for the releasing of the souvenir at this technical conference ICA-CCT 2012.
A big round of applause, please.
Memories are surely a means to reminiscent on something. On this note, we would like to invite our very own Director Sir, Dr. R.K. Chaudhary ji, to present the memento to our respected Chief Guest, Mr. Shishir Deshmukh ji, and Dr. V.K. Srivastava Sir to Dr. Hamid Sir, and Mr. Ravi Sachdeva Sir to Mr. Tony Atkinson.
A big round of applause, please. Creating the difference is what Staffordshire aims at, and so does APIIT. Our patron, Director Professor Dr. R.K. Chaudhary ji, has been working on the same parameters which clearly shows his alacrity and conviviality towards the hardships one faces in life. So now, may I have the honor to invite this impressionistic personality to kindly come up to the stage and grace the audience with its benign presence. Sir, please.
Good morning to all of you. Mr. Shishir Deshmukh, Assistant Vice President, Dias Park. Dr. Tony Atkins, Staffordshire University, United Kingdom. Sri Harmeet Chhabra, also from Dias Park. Professor Swatantra Singh, HOD, Bhai Maha Singh College of Engineering, Mukteswar, Punjab. Professor Yuvraj Bhatnagar, Director MBA ITS, Greater Noida. Professor Asuni Kus, Head of Department, Computer Science, University College, Kurukshetra. Professor S.N. Panda, Principal, RMT, Mandi, Govindgarh. Professor Akhilesh Upadhyay, Vice Principal, SRIT, Bhopal. And my dear friends from press and media, the distinguished delegates, the valuable authors, participants, research scholars, the whole organizing committee of ICA CST 2012, and especially Engineer Ravi Kumar, the convener of this conference, respected faculties, my dear students. It's really a matter of immense pleasure for me to be part of this inaugural ceremony of the IEEE ICA CST International Conference on Advanced Computing and Communication Technology 2012. I have a very emotional tie-up with this international conference, and reason is that I remember in 2005 we have initiated these steps to have some platform where academicians, researchers and industry leaders can meet and share their thoughts and do something in the field of research and development. We were a very small institution by that time, and once we dared to dream like this, the people were very suspicious whether we would be able to make it success or not. But it was quite successful in 2005, and from there we got more motivations, and we thought that we should look forward and carry on these missions. And Apptest India has organized every year except 1 year, and that's why this is the 6th time we are organizing this advanced computing and communication technology. You see there are very handful number of the peoples here, but as you know, there is a very hard work behind any such kind of the international conferences, and that you will find. I hope that we have supplied you the proceedings and the souvenirs, and what I feel that this conference has attained a good level of maturity over a period of time. And it is evident from the fact that this time again we have received a huge number of the research paper throughout the world. And it was quite difficult. With a very strict peer review, we have selected, and if I am not mistaken, it is 286. 35 has been selected, and this huge response has compelled us to publish the proceedings in 4 volumes. First time in the history of this international conference, we have been able to publish the proceedings in 4 volumes to accommodate the various tracks. Another interesting things which I have noticed, that year by year this conference is accommodating new emerging technology, which was started with the computing, then communications, and now electrical and mechatronics, and even management has been incorporated. So this conference is trying to give a larger platform for the technocrats, research scholars, the research fellows, and certainly the whole academic fraternity. I wish and I congratulate to the organizing committee of this conference for the grand success of this conference, and especially I am very thankful to all the contributors, authors who have contributed their valuable works and helped the research and development field. The another important thing which I will like to mention here, that this organizing committee has worked very hard, and that's why I find that there is a very fine kind of the review, and very good number of panel of the reviewer were employed, and the review has been done with the paper. And in one day we are trying to give the opportunity to the delegates and participants and research scholar to present their paper with a very competent kind of the technical chairs, where the real presentation and re-review of the paper can be done. With these words, I am not taking much of your time. Wish you a nice stay and pleasant stay at Apptest India. Have a nice day. Thank you to all of you.
Guests sitting amongst us on this auspicious occasion, whose praises fall short when taken in account. May I now have the honor to invite Mr. Shishir Deshmukh on the stage, please.
First of all, I would like to extend a very good morning to Dr. Tony Atkins, Dr. R.K. Chaudhary, Director APIT, other dignitaries on the dais, research scholars, ladies and gentlemen, press and media, persons and students. This is really a great pleasure that I have been invited over here as a chief guest for this 6th International Conference of Advanced Computing and Communication Technology at Asia Pacific